Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running MyBB, an open source forum software, on Linux. To get started, launch the terminal and run sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Next, using apt-install will install the Apache web server and mariadb database, followed by PHP and the required PHP modules. Now we'll elevate to a root shell using sudo su, then we'll execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a root MySQL password and mitigate known MySQL vulnerabilities. Next, we'll connect to the MySQL database using the MySQL command line utility. Then using SQL commands, we'll create a MyBB database, as well as a MyBB database user with full permissions to the database. We'll flush MySQL privileges, then disconnect from the MySQL database and close out of the root shell. Using regular expression, we'll look up the latest release from GitHub, then using wget, we'll download the file. We'll extract the downloaded zip archive to the web root, remove the unneeded documentation directory, then rename the extracted upload directory to MyBB. We'll rename the included htaccess file, set the owner of the MyBB directory to the www data group. Next, we'll create an empty config file using the touch command. Then we'll set the required permissions on the config file, as well as several subdirectories inside the MyBB folder. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Linux host /mybb. Choose if you'd like to send anonymous statistics, then click Next. Click Next to accept the license agreement, and Next again at the prerequisite check. Using the video description as a guide, complete the database configuration form, then click Next. Click Next at each screen to step through the installer until you reach the board configuration form. Modify the board configuration form to your liking, then click Next. Complete the administrator user form, then click Next. On the Finish Setup screen, click the Admin Control Panel link. Log in using the administrator account you created earlier. Welcome to MyBB, running on your Linux device.